Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. As honorable members know, points 14 and 15 of the revised 20-point program lay considerable emphasis on housing for the economically weaker sections in urban areas and for the landless workers in rural areas. Stop. During the past 8 years, more than 82 lakh plots have been allotted to the landless workers in rural areas and 34 lakh such families have been given construction assistance. Stop. Nearly 156 lakh slum dwellers have been benefited under the scheme of environmental improvement of urban slums and 14 lakh dwelling units were constructed under the housing scheme for economically weaker sections in urban areas. Stop. Under the Indira Awas Yojana, 4 lakh dwelling units have been constructed for the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and freed bonded laborers in rural areas. Stop. Efforts are on to strengthen these programs. Stop. With the setting up of National Housing Bank under the aegis of Reserve Bank of India, a major landmark has been achieved in the housing finance institutional framework. Stop. It will coordinate with various sources of housing finance, regulate functions of housing finance institutions at different levels, and augment the flow of funds for housing by different income groups all over the country. Stop. Regional housing finance institutions like Housing Promotion and Finance Corporation Limited, Calcutta have been established with a view to providing a sound housing finance network at regional level. Stop. One more corporation for the northern region is being set up. Stop. You may be aware that the Reserve Bank of India has also liberalized the lending norms of the commercial banks for increased flow of finance to individuals for new constructions and repairs. Stop. The amount of loan admissible has been enhanced by reducing the margin required to be provided by the beneficiaries. Stop. The interest rate has been reduced by 1% for loans up to rupees 1 lakh stanza. Also, the period of repayment of housing loans has been enhanced from 10 to 15 years. Stop. Further, where mortgage of property of government guarantee is not feasible, banks have been permitted to accept other forms of security for loans. Full stop. For ensuring easy access to standardized building materials and components and establishment of supply centers on a decentralized basis, a centrally sponsored scheme for setting up of a national network of building centers has been launched. Stop. During the current year, 100 centers are to be established which will act as conduits for transmission of low-cost technology on housing to the grassroots level and impart requisite training to youth and artisans. Stop. Till now, 18 centers have been completed and another 57 are nearing completion. Stop. To eradicate houselessness in urban areas, the central government has started a scheme in major cities with the objective of providing shelter to pavement dwellers. Stop. Under this scheme, a small beginning has been made by the sanction of rupees 34 lakhs to cover 850 pavement dweller households in Calcutta. Stop. A proposal to cover 6,500 pavement dweller households in Madras at a cost of rupees 4 crores is under scrutiny. Full stop. Over.